Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, the people have again taken to the streets and they're saying that there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and, of course, drop a comment in the comment section. They're also stating that for Mr. Maitland to cooperate and confess to law enforcement, he must face the pressures of capital punishment. They point to Russian Barnett and said that his plea of guilt was only because he faced capital punishment. May I make a new one that will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
The only thing can make Noel talk people is if hanging way over him head. So you have to support this. We need a vice son of L. Lewis. I dig up dead body. And I break case son of Andre. We have spread things out so people don't know about me, people know. When they see me, it's a vice. For the people that who have a vice. Stop righteous.
Man, no justice,
no peace.
no justice,
No peace.
yes man,
No hanging. No peace.
yes man, yeah man. But that's it, the people. Short man and maroon, ras maroon, yeah man. Yeah man. You turn on the ID with them say man, see the people, man have all the maroon ID at the march. Yeah man, we shall have it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man. What's your name? No justice?
No.
What's your name? No justice?
No, please.
Yes, people, and that's how with the people. Where is Donna Lee? What about you? Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
What we want it.
No.
What we want.
Justice.
What we want.
Justice.
Call our name.
Donna Lee.
Call our name.
Donna Lee.
I want the murderer.
Noel.
Who are the murderer?
Noel.
Who for him?
Noel.
Who for him?
Noel.
What we want.
Justice.
When we want it.
No.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
No closure.
No peace.
No closure.
No peace.
No remains.
No peace.
No remains.
No peace.
Nobody.
No peace.
Nobody.
No peace.
No answers.
No peace.
No answers.
No peace.
Call our name.
Donna Lee.
Call our name.
Donna Lee.
Call our name.
Donna Lee.
What we want.
Justice.
What we want.
Justice.
When we want it.
No.
When we want it.
No.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
No closure.
No peace.
No closure.
No peace.
Who for him?
Noel.
Who for him?
Noel.
Who for him?
Noel.
What we want?
Justice.
Who? What we want?
Justice.
JC for what?
Corruption.
JC for what?
Corruption.
The system for what?
Corruption.
What we want?
Justice.
No justice.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
When we want it.
No.
When we want it.
No.
Call our name.
Donna Lee.
Call our name.
Donna Lee.
Noel what?
Murderer.
Noel
Yes, people, so I just said the people.
Murderer.
Safe. Yeah, man. So, people, as we say, eh? Oh. All right, my boss, thanks. So, people, so that's over there, we tell us, we need justice, people. Yes, son? Yes, son. The younger part, I'm going to talk to them after the demonstration of people, because you have to have a way how you conduct the thing. Yes, son, because we don't want to say police is corruption. Yes, and so that's why I'm not going to take part in another part there. Yes, and you have to say some police are corruption, because you can't make one police make every police. We'll go up at the office now, because we have another meeting now for good people. So I said good people. So we're going to put a link, people. The link are the Zoom link for the Maroon Global meeting. We're in England right now, people. So I have to go wrap up the show now for go there. So I'm going to put the link in the comment box so you can go.
Tell me how you feel, people. And as I always say, there has to be a precedent set that whether members of law enforcement or any other individual out there who harbors the thought of any violence or any or any form of abuse. Anybody who harbors these thoughts in their mind can now realize that, first and foremost, the state is serious about these issues. Recently, we hear the amount of issues before the court, the amount of issues that have been reported, some still unsolved, and still just categorized as domestic issues, which in oftentimes have deadly results. We have seen numerous cases over the media. We are talking about since year. Remember what took place recently in Clarendon? Man take him life, take him wife life, take him youth life. There must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and all of the other victims of similar sort. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and you comment in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now we have to talk about this. Petty criminals also a mash up society. Petty criminals prey on our entrepreneurs. The people who are help build up the economy. Here is a shop full of women. A woman and her picnic. Me I tell you about young youth. She offer all the youth in her hand. And this boy will look like him can carry 10 bags of cement one time. Decides that him go use for him energy. For go round and take people things. Law enforcement need to capture the boy. Any individual who would commit an act of this nature, when the boy walk up to the door, are the baby mother daddy, the hairdresser, and a few other young women, and him still decides him go in there and take them things. I'm going to say, it's a blessing that nobody was harmed in the incident. And it's also been reported that this happened in a busy plaza. So hopefully we have enough cameras on the compound that we can identify this individual, or the direction I'm leaving, or where I'm leaving, or whatever the case may be. And people who own these commercial buildings need to start invest in these cameras too. They say one little security, the security boot now go do it. The same security won't have a let in and out car, it now go work. Invest in surveillance because we need deterrence. That's what going on the island right now, I feel. In places like downtown Kingston, Spanish Town, some other areas you can think of. Once upon a time, an individual knew that if him grab a bag, take something of a small style, or any situation, even get involved in an incident with a woman downtown, Spanish Town, certain other places, it would not end well for you. But along with the change in criminality, that has also changed as well. And this is one of the reasons why people are saying that the senseless crime and violence in communities need to stop. Especially when you hear about community versus community. Because the criminal element that exists within these communities are not there for the benefit of the community. They're not there to defend and protect the community from what go on or outside forces. They are the individuals who are in conflict with other individuals from other communities. And it starts to become a community versus community. No. It's a handful of people versus a handful of people. Now, none for the entire community. And are these the individuals who you want to protect your community? People who are walking in a shop full of women that are youth in her hand, and I take them last dollar. And even though the situation, as we have seen on camera, we never see high levels of aggression and things of that nature. But the fact that a man would even do this to an entire shop full of women, seeing that in Jamaica, majority of these men and women are raised by single mothers. That are those facts. That is a statistic. Majority of youth on the island of Jamaica are raised by single mothers. So when you hear certain things happening against women, but know for a fact the mindset of the people, something happened to it. Something happened to the mindset of the people, and that's something we need to address. If I even with the next generation we are forward up. Things of this nature never used to always occur. And as I say, one, there were deterrents put in place. Other than that, people had a moral compass where they guide them. Nowadays, as we see, people do anything that come to their mind. And some they've not full control of their mind. They're influenced by all different things. Songs, movies, media, and music. But talk to me, tell me how you feel about that one. As I tell you, never like come see. Women and youth, are a few of our most vulnerable, next to the elderly and people with various disabilities. So anybody who me see try to do nothing against people within this category, me not like you. I feel like woman with intelligence and for lie down beside you. After you go out, they go commit these acts against women. Women need to know so them have a strong powers too. That's a reason for another time. But truth be told, for things like this to stop, the people have to unite against it. In the early 90s and times like that when certain things couldn't really go on because the people were united against it. If you grab a woman bag and run and she said thief and hold him, everybody want to run it down and catch him. Nowadays it's almost like people just look on that up and say, boy, and my bag. And the aim is divide and conquer. So when them divide the people to that level, then the people are easily conquered. If you're new to the channel, just a pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.